makeup with the Garnier Cleansing Water Daiso Cotton Pads. Usually I use about 2 to 3 cotton pads, and I soak each of the cotton pads with the micellar water and clean it all off. But then you saw me doing my Wonder Woman's 2D makeup in my previous video, so I was removing that. I recorded it together, and because it was a very crazy makeup, I'm gonna continue with this Bifesta Cleansing Gel Liquid, which is like a cleansing oil. I'll do 1.5 pounds. Let's get rinsing. I'm just gonna jump straight in the shower, and I'll see you later. When I feel like my skin is kind of rough, I also use this Bioderma Exfoliant Purifiant as well as the Vichy Exfoliant Cream. I alternate this Skin Inc Revival Peel with this exfoliant creams. When I feel like I have a lot of blackheads on my face, I will use this Queen Helen Mint Julep Mask. I've used a lot of clay masks, and this is one of the cheapest and the best masks. After using this mask, my face will be very clear, and it's available on iHerb and Watsons or Guardian. Yep, one of the pharmacy stores. Hi, I'm back from my shower, so let's proceed. So this is the Active House Wonder Pore Freshener. It acts as a toner. I use it with the Daiso cotton pads. Going in with my Lancome Genifique Serum. This is a face serum. So I'll just put 1 pump. This serum helps my skin absorb the subsequent skincare that I'll be putting on better. Eye serum. You can go in with an eye cream of your choice as well. Ball is really cooling, so it actually cools down my tired eyes. We're going in with facial mask. As you can see, I have a lot, so if I need a little hydration and brightening, I'll use this Black Pearl mask. And if I feel like my pores need some refining, I'll use this Pore Tightening mask. This is kind of icky and it's red and sensitive. I'll use this mask. It's the Tea Tree Pore Refining Treatment Mask. Or Hydrating for Nest Mask for nourishing, brightening, firming, and moisturizing. Or I still have yet to try the CFP mask, which I want from the Clear Medicine Contest. And I keep the expensive mask for special occasions. Some eye mask. So today I'm just gonna use this My Beauty Diary Black Pearl mask. Switching the essence around. I'll be leaving this on for 20 minutes, so while we have this on, I'll blow dry my hair and do some other things. I'll be back! Hi, I'm back! So lift the mask from bottom to top. And then there's still essence in there, so don't waste it. Put it on your neck. With the remaining essence left in the facial mask. Too much. And then smack it onto your face. With this Skin Ink Tri-Light machine. I'll go with the blue one because my skin is really sensitive now. The blue light helps to soothe the skin. Then I'll switch to red. And the yellow light will help with pigmentation and darken areas of the skin like dark circles and areas like this, which have darkened over time. And this machine helps my skin to absorb whatever is on my face, so all the essence is actually almost gone right now. And the final step, I'll go in with a sleeping mask. This is the Laneige water sleeping mask. It's one of my holy grails. I've used like countless bottles of this. This is in a gelish texture. About this amount will be enough for my face. Do it every day. I only do it on like once a week, usually on weekends. This is to like deeply cleanse my skin and get my skin ready for the next week of makeup. My daily routine is mainly just double cleanse, the step 1 and 2, using the cleansing oil and then going in with my facial wash, and then a toner and the Lancome serum, and then just a sleeping mask. Could be like the Laneige water sleeping mask or like a moisturizer. There's also another school of thought where they recommend you to just cleanse your face, double cleanse or cleanse, and then you go in with a toner and then just a moisturizer for like 1 month. And that's another way of like detoxing your face and letting it repair on its own. I do this like once a week because I feel like that works best for my skin, and if I don't do it for 1 week, I will see pimples popping out my face and more blackheads and more whiteheads on my face for the next week. So this is what is working for me. It might not work for you, but you can give it a try. And that's all I have to say today. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what you would like to watch. And it's time for me to sleep now. It's 4 a.m. Good night. Good night. Good night. Hi everyone. What do you want to say? There's also a school of thought where